Manufacturers today are pressured to increase production, lower costs, reduce downtime, and improve overall quality. IoT is paving the way to maximize the operational efficiency of your factory. But how do you get started and integrate your existing infrastructure with IoT devices? IoTWorX, powered by Lenovo Smart Edge technology, is an easy, cost-effective solution. It connects your buildings, factories, and equipment through secure TLS encryption and popular cloud platforms. Access your data from anywhere through pub/sub architecture for real-time visualization of KPI data at the edge. Providing the bridge between on-premise and cloud-based communication networks, Iconix and Lenovo are helping customers embrace IoT to implement use cases driving increased productivity, improved plant efficiency, and reduced risks and costs. Bundled with the Genesis 64 IoT software platform, extract insights, make decisions, and execute actions based on the data IoTWorX gets from your factory floor. With Iconix in the cloud, your data is more intelligent than ever. Learn more by visiting iconix.com/Lenovo.